Hey guys, Benji D here from Get Fixed. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to factory reset the LG K20. Now, this device does have a password on there, and I have no idea what the password is. See that? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to factory reset the LG K20. Let's get it. Now, the first thing you want to do is power off the device. So we're going to hold the power button until the power off button pops up right over here. Click on it, and then click on power off. That's step one. We're going to be holding the volume down and also the power button simultaneously. As soon as the LG logo pops up on the screen here, you're going to let go of the power button and click it right back. Right after you let it go, click it. So let's demonstrate. That is volume down, power simultaneously. As soon as LG logo pops up, let go of the power button and click it. I just did that, and here you go. You're going to use the volume up and down button to navigate, and we're going to go down to yes. So right over here. No exit, yes. Once we get to yes, you want to click on the power button to select. Now it'll say delete all user data, including LG and carrier apps, and reset all settings. Select yes to delete, no to exit. So the first option is no, second one is yes. So we're going to go down to yes and click the power button. There it is. It's currently factory resetting the device now. There you have it, guys. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know what it is down in the comments below. Anyways, guys, Benji D here from Get Fixed. Come on now, you know I'm out. All I simply got to do now is set it up. If it has Google FRP lock on there, I'm going to create another video showing you how to bypass that. What FRP lock pretty much is for example, when you factory reset the phone, it won't allow you to get into it unless you have the password of the previous user who was signed into that Google account. That pretty much wraps it up for today's video, guys. Benji D here from Get Fixed, and I'm out. Ace.